Convenient, affordable, and professional. YXE Quick Clean is Saskatoon's answer to vehicle detailing. Our convenient service sees an average turnaround time of 2 hours. Grab lunch with a friend and come back to a vehicle that feels like new again. We make it easy. Book online and choose your time, day, and service. And yes, we're open on weekends. Can't make it to the shop? Book your mobile detail online and have our team come to your home or office. Imagine leaving work to a clean vehicle. YXE Quick Clean is fully licensed, insured, and also accepts fleet cards. Set up a repeat service schedule with our professional team and protect your fleet investment. You deserve a clean vehicle, and with YXE Quick Clean's affordable interior detailing services starting at only $89.95, you can have it. Join the people who have discovered Saskatoon's best way to make their vehicle feel like new again. YXE Quick Clean is ready when you are. Book online today.